Hello guys, how you doing today? It's your guy Lucky Matthew once again. I want to walk you through the process of um, sharing your smart coins resources with multiple accounts or with other users, maybe your friend or family members. What is smart coin resources? Smart coin resources is something you get by freezing your smart coin. In our community, we have smart wallet, and a smart wallet is so robust that it's got some mechanisms that allows you to freeze smart coin and generate resources. The blockchain in our ecosystem feeds on resources to perform transaction. We have the smart coin, which is our gas fee coin or transactional fee coin. Okay, the smart coin is our gas fee or transactional fee coin. Now you can't do anything on the smart wallet without the smart coin, right? Now there is this mechanism, the freezing system that is attached to the smart coin. Now when you freeze a handsome or an adequate amount of smart coin on your smart wallet, you will bypass charges, transactional charges. Now, the blockchain feeds on those resources that is produced by this smart coin. The blockchain feeds on the resources that is produced by this smart coin. Now, you can only get those resources by freezing your smart coin. I'm going to take you, I have two wallets on this phone right now. I'm going to take you to one smart wallet. You will see that it's got an adequate resources, right? Um, you will also I'm also going to show you another one that has no resources. So I will now walk you through the process of sharing your resources with someone that doesn't have at all. Now I'm going to tap on smart, the first one you see there. If you look at here right now, it has opened up. It's showing my balance and frozen. I froze. This is the balance, available balance that is withdrawable immediately. This is frozen 70,000, right? Now I'm going to tap on freeze to show you the resources that this my frozen smart coin has produced. Although this evening I have used up some of the resources to claim rewards and all that. So I have just 100,000 now, as you can see right there. I have just 100,000 uh, energy resources and 204,000 bandwidth resources. And this is what the blockchain feeds on. Now, you will be able to delegate or share this particular resources with a friend, with someone else that has smart wallet but doesn't have smart coin frozen. So the person cannot perform transaction without his or smart coin being eaten up by the blockchain. Now, the blockchain feeds on the resources, like I said, but whereby you do not have smart coin frozen, it feeds on your smart coin directly, right? So let's go through the process of delegation. Now, let's first of all come here. Let's look at the other wallet that doesn't have any. Give me a second. The other wallet that doesn't have any um, resources or smart coin, right? So let's Now, this is the other smart wallet that doesn't have any resources. So we'll check it out. Also, it's got just, I'm going to tap on smart now. As you can see, it's got just 50 smart, just 50 smart, and it's got no frozen smart. So we're going to have to delegate, say, 50,000 resources to this guy, transfer it to this person. Now I will explain what that means after the process. Now let's go. The first thing first is to copy the address for the recipient address. If you're sending to your wife, to your brother, to your sister, to a friend, ask the person to send you his or her smart wallet address, right? And this is this smart wallet address. This is the smart wallet address here. right? So you tap here to copy it. You tap there to copy it. So you copy it. I have copied it. I'm going to have to move over to the other wallet. So I move over to the other wallet that has the resources. Okay, just watch. We're moving over now to the first wallet I showed you that has about 70,000 smart coin frozen. So I'm going to tap on smart also and tap on freeze. I'm going to tap on, sorry, I'll tap on freeze. Okay, I tap on the freeze, and this time around I'll tap on here manage, because I want to manage my resources. So I tap on manage. If you look very well, you will see that let it load up. Let it load up. What do I have here? I have 101 available resources under energy, right? Now if I tap on bandwidth, you see that I have 202. If you look at bandwidth, I have 202. I just want to give to the person energy because energy is more expensive and it's more the most useful resources. By default, the company gives you 1,500 resources under bandwidth, so you do not need resources, especially if you are doing smaller transaction. You do not need resources. So the resources you need is that of energy, this one. So from this 100,000 that I have available now, uh, this 100,000 that I have available now, I'm going to give out say 50,000 to the other account, right? To the other guy, to that wallet. So right now, what do I need to do? I'm going to tap on delegate. Delegate. I'll tap on this button here. Delegate. Sorry, not that one. This one here. I'll tap on this one here. Delegate. I will come back to that one. All right. I'll come back to that one. All right. Tap on it. When you tap on it, brings you to this interface, and this interface, you would see what is written here. The minimum amount, I don't know if you can see it, read it with me. This one. It says the minimum resource delegation amount must be equivalent to one smart. Currently, their minimum is 8, which may change. Delegation below the minimum will not uh, be processed. Now, let's tap on. We now need to tap on here where they said destination address. Don't forget I copied the address of the recipient, so I'm going to paste it here. Press and paste. I pasted that recipient's address here. Now here I'll tap on that place that's showing 0. You see it's blinking, the cursor is blinking. I will say 50,000. Oh, sorry, 50,000. 50,000 energy that I want to send out. And because I've keyed it in, and if you notice very well, energy is highlighted, so we don't make mistake. It's and under energy, so I'm sending energy right now to that person. So I click on continue. When you click on continue, when you click on continue, this is just a confirmation. You confirm, click on confirm button, keep putting your confirmation pin. Boom, success. You have successfully delegated 50,000 energy. Now we're going to have to move over to the other guy, okay, to the recipient. Let's see if it has appeared there. We'll come back here again. I will show you how to withdraw your delegation, how to reclaim what resources you have given to that person. After the person must have you finished using, or for some reason you want to reclaim it back, you can reclaim it back. But for now, let's go check it out. Right? Let's go check it out. All right, so it's loaded. So let's now, you won't see it from the front end. At the front end, you won't see it. You still need to tap on smart. This is the recipient. Tap on smart and you tap on freeze. Now you see that 50,000 uh, resources has appeared. It appears instantly, has appeared under the energy. Now with this person can claim his reward or perform any minor transaction with this 50,000. Now if you look at the bandwidth, by default the company gave you 1,500 bandwidth. Bandwidth, you don't really consume bandwidth for performing transaction. Very tiny, less than one bandwidth for per transaction. So you have 1,500. That is enough for you, but energy is highly needed. So this energy, if you're doing multiple claiming, you can't. This is not enough. The 50,000 is not enough. So that's why we freeze enough smart coins to produce more resources, because that resource is what the blockchain feeds on. Now, let me go show you how to reclaim this energy back. Okay, so let's go back to the other wallet, the the source. So what I've done now is to actually lay a pipe, like oil pipe, from my own oil well to the person's oil tank. Right. So when that 50,000 exhausts, the 24 hours later it replenishes automatically because I have created a pipe. So it will be flowing from my own oil well to the recipient's oil well. The person can continue using it until you reclaim it back to your well. So that is what I want to do now, to reclaim it. So after reclaiming, we'll go back and see if that 50,000 is still there. So I'll tap on smart again, and then tap on freeze, and then tap on manage, and then tap on, this time around I'll tap on reclaim. That's why I said I was going to come back. You tap on reclaim. Now if you tap on reclaim, it will display all the delegation you have done on this account at the moment. So let's see, it's loading up. It's loading up. So far I have two delegations. I had earlier yesterday or 2 days ago, I delegated 100,000 to someone, and the person has used a little bit out of it already. Okay, now this is the 50,000. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Let me take my face up. Now I don't know if you can see it very clear. This is the 50,000 we delegated, and this is the one I did before. So I'm going to reclaim this 50,000. So just by tapping on that button, reclaim, I tap on it, click on maximum. See, you can choose to reclaim bit, say 10,000. You understand? If you want to reclaim all, you simply tap on max. Okay, tap on this max button here to reclaim all, and that's what I'm going to do. 50,000, and click on continue, then confirm. Put in your confirmation pin again. Boom, you have reclaimed it. So now let's go back to that guy to be sure if let's go back to be sure, right? Be sure if the thing actually got uh if it's left this recipient. Okay, all right, let's see if it has left the recipient's wallet. Click on smart again, and then you tap on, what else, you tap on freeze, and let's see, you tap on the freeze button. I don't know if you know where this freeze button is. This one, tap on it. The moment you tap on it, you see that energy is gone. The energy is gone. That energy was here, was actually here just now, 50,000. So it's gone back to the owner. So you can claim, you can delegate and reclaim your delegation. You can lay a pipe and block the pipe. Take back your resources, your oil. Okay, so that is exactly how it works. And the beauty of this is you can have one account and have enough smart coin frozen on that account, and from there you do not need to buy another smart coin again on the other wallet. You see, this account now has just 50 smart. All you need on that recipient's account is just 50 smart. And then you transfer energy and bandwidth resources to that person if he's doing enough transaction. And that person can continue using that resources all weeks, all month, all year, because you have created a pipe. And that pipe you have the sole right to undelegate or to reclaim that pipe, and the person will then need smart coin. But so long as you have your pipeline laid and oil is flowing from your own side, your resources flowing from your own side to his or hers, that person will keep claiming or performing transactions for free. That is a wiring technology that Alex Reinhardt, the MD and CEO uh, of Ultima, has brought us. And we are super excited that this is really working. So if you think I have given you value, please share this video and like this my channel for more interesting tutorials, right? I remain your friend and brother, Lucky Matthew. Bye bye for now.